What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. Anybody that's watching any of my previous video on the Blink, you'll know that I had to replace my original Blink with another one. My first one broke. So in this video we're going to go ahead and test the video quality out of this Blink out, see how well it works. I'll go through some of the different settings as far as picture quality, sensitivity, and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and test this out. Alright guys, so this is going to be the testing on the Blink Video Doorbell. Right now video quality is on best. And for the testing, I'm just going to be walking down my sidewalk, up the driveway, until I get a notification. I'll let you know, and I'll let you know the settings. Alright guys, here's an example of the saver picture quality mode on the Blink Video Doorbell. Alright guys, this is an example of the standard video quality mode on the Video Doorbell. This is an example of the highest resolution for the video quality on the Blink Video Doorbell. Just got the notification. This is sensitivity 5. Picture quality is on saver mode. Just got the notification. Picture quality is on standard mode. Sensitivity 5. Just got the notification. Picture quality is turned all the way up. Sensitivity 5. Just got the notification. Sensitivity got turned up to 7. Picture quality is in standard mode. Picture quality is at the highest resolution. Sensitivity is at 8. Just got the notification. Sensitivity is at 9. Picture quality is in saver mode. Just got the notification. Sensitivity at 9. This is the highest quality, video quality on the Blink. Just got the notification. Everything's set back to its normal settings. Sensitivity 5 and video quality is at standard. I think this is what everybody will be using. Just got the notification. This is a night video of the Blink Doorbell. No porch light on. Complete darkness. Just got the notification. This is a test of the Blink Doorbell with my porch light on. Sensitivity is at 5. As that car just drove past, it went off again. Sensitivity is at 5. Just got the notification. Sensitivity is at 7. Porch light is on. Picture quality is at its highest. Infrared is at medium. Sensitivity is at 7. Porch light is on. Infrared is on low. Picture quality is in saver mode, which is the lowest quality. Just got the notification. Porch light is off. Sensitivity at 7. You got infrared and at medium, and picture quality is at its best. Just got the notification. Porch light is off, infrared is on low, sensitivity on 7, and picture quality is on saver mode, lowest resolution. Just got the notification, sensitivity is on 7, infrared's on low, picture quality is on the best. So it's the highest picture resolution right now, porch light on. Just got the notification, sensitivity is at 9, no porch light is on, complete darkness. Just got the notification, sensitivity is at 9. This is with my porch light on. Just got the notification, sensitivity is at 9. I keep getting a lot of false motion detection, so definitely wouldn't want it at 9. I'm going to turn it down.
This is a test of the Blink Video Doorbell audio. Setting for the volume is halfway, 50%. This is a test of the Blink Video Doorbell audio. Setting is 50% volume. This is a test of the Blink Video Doorbell audio. Volume is turned all the way up. This is a test of the Blink Video Doorbell audio. The volume is turned all the way up.
Alright, so that's it for the testing on the Blink Video Doorbell. A couple takeaways from my testing. Even when I had the camera set to 5 on the sensitivity, I would, even though it picked me up, not until I got closer to the porch, it would still pick up cars and trucks driving past my house in the street. Of course, a way around this is to just eliminate that from your activity zone by graying that all out in the settings, so you can eliminate the street. But that is one thing I did notice. Another thing that I noticed was it seemed like the picture quality, at least between standard, well, even saver mode, saver all the way to the best, I didn't notice a huge difference when I was playing it back on my phone. So what I did is I went back, replayed the saver mode video, and I played the best quality, the highest quality mode on my phone. And I even, because you can just pinch and zoom to zoom into certain parts of the video, and even that still looked pretty similar. I did not notice a difference in the resolution between those two settings, so not really sure what's going on with that. Also, it seemed like when I played back the videos on my phone, there's some type of background noise in the audio. It's kind of weird, didn't really like that. For the night videos, it seemed like it was kind of hard to get the adjusting right as far as the setting for the infrared for low, medium, high, especially since I have a porch light that's motion detected. It seemed like it was kind of hard to get that setting just right, so the person's face, when they got too close to the camera, wouldn't be just white, like just a ghost white. So that was a little difficult to do. Still haven't got it right. I still got to play with it a little bit more. But definitely I feel like the night picture quality wasn't up to par. Wasn't really impressed with it at all, especially if you're really trying to get a good look at maybe somebody approaching your house, see who they are. After testing the audio on both ends, seemed like the audio was pretty decent. The audio coming out of the doorbell sounded pretty good. I didn't have any issues with that. I tested that with my wife. And then on the phone side, wasn't too bad. Best case scenario for audio was as long as you're about a foot to 2 foot away from the doorbell, or else then it sounded a little muffled on the phone side of the audio, but other than that, not bad. So all in all, for those of you that are already in the Blink ecosystem and not paying a subscription, and you only got to pay $50 for the doorbell like I did, then I don't know, I guess you got to weigh the pros and the cons with the price of the doorbell. Right now I pay $3 a month for the Ring. I do think the Ring is a little bit better quality, but you do pay more up front with the Ring doorbell, and then also a monthly fee I pay. So alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, hit that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, I do product reviews and how-tos. Hit that subscription button and also smash that notification bell so you guys get notified when I post my next video. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll talk to you later.